Well, today's endeavor, we're into this Ingersoll Rand compressor with a deere in it. Even with a good battery in it, once it gets cold, unless it's plugged in, it normally doesn't want to start. So I don't know. We'll see what it'll want to do here, but. Normally it won't get rolling fast enough to want to take off, so I've ordered a gear reduction starter and it's on the back of the truck here. Look at that. So I got that door propped open, and let's grab some tools here. Hey, what are you guys doing? Master's got me working. Those cones both look the same. I do think this is going to work. A little something for the bolts. Make them go in a little bit easier. Now where'd I put the bottom bolt? Look how much easier that'll be. We can use a socket to put this one in. What you guys found? Hey, what did you find? Looks like we're going to need a longer wire. It's pretty strong. So. See what it does now. I really can't believe how much better that turns over. Well, it's the next day, and it's about -10 degrees Celsius. So we'll see what this new starter's going to say. This hasn't ran all night, so. Well, we got a little bit of the good stuff here. It seems to be rolling fast enough, but there's no grid heater or any, you know, starting aid, so just give her a little sniff and it should take it off here. So now that we got that compressor fixed, I'm on to this one here. This particular one is basically the same as that machine, except for it's got no panels on it. I've got to, you know, get the exhaust and all that situated here, but this has a brand new starter on it, and you know, even when it was warm, I could hardly get it to start. So I know this starter rolls over on this one. This is basically the same, so I'm going to put this starter, you know, this is the starter that came off it. I'm not sure, you know, why it won't start it.
Don't ask me, ask China that.
Kind of how the poles are in the motor, they look different, so I don't know, maybe, you know, maybe that's got something to do with torque.
In the world. And maybe that's a question you should ask China.
And, you know, this one would start that with a boost. One for you and one for you. I'm gonna have to bring another truck over here and give it a boost. Yeah, like Dave says, don't let it idle.
Have very little opportunity to get as much heat into that oil as quickly as you can idling it. In fact, that's the worst way to get heat into your oil. The best way, seconds, you know, drive the crap out of it. Now,
you got to get that heat in that oil. So after hours of trying to boost this thing, having the block heater plugged in, you know, I was finally able to get it to start. So I'm probably just going to end up ordering another one of those gear reduction starters for this one. The alternator does seem to be working though, so that's, you know, that's good. So I just wanted to show you guys the part number of the starter that I put on. This is the gear reduction starter. That'll fit either this or that other compressor there. And this is the alternator that I had put on that one. It's like a 100 amp Dalco 3-wire. I just wanted to say thanks for watching, if you've made it this far, and comment, rate, and subscribe.